A very good morning to all of you, to my dear friends. You're all welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Let's Learn Together. And this is Shafiq Ahmed. And as we have started a series of video tutorials on the importance of cyber security and digital safety, as we all know that everyone is nowadays online, working from home, so we should be secure ourselves. And this is the time only when these hackers, or you can say crackers, are attacking people, because they know that it is their best time of business. So let us secure ourselves, let's update ourselves, and let's defeat those crackers. So this is the fourth part of the video tutorial, and in this tutorial I am going to deal with what is phishing and how can we save ourselves from these phishing attacks. You might be confused and might be trying, very eager to know about the phishing. Let us move ahead and start a tutorial which will deal with us about the phishing. So what we are going to do, what is phishing, we are going to learn, and how can we save ourselves from phishing. So before giving you the definition in examples, I'm trying to show you a few of the images that you might have received in your emails, you know, previously, or now you might have been receiving this type of emails. Let us see and be very sure and alert while getting this type of emails. You can see over here, this is an email from Netflix. It is showing that it is having the header of Netflix also, and it is saying your account is on hold. It is saying, hi dear, please update your payment details, and it is having a link also, update account now. So this is one of the email that the crackers, they used to send to the, or you can say they are known as the phishers also. They used to send email to the public, and if you will click on this type of email, that update account now, then your valuable details of your login ID, password, even your computer details or the browser's details, everything will be gone to them, and you will be at greater risk, my dear friends. You can see they are using this, they are writing at the end also, your friends at Netflix, and don't call us, they will tell you, they just click on help button and secure button like this. So please alert yourself. Let me show you another email. We received your instruction to delete your account. You haven't sent any type of email to any particular bank, but you will receive such an email from the bank. They will try to pose that they are from the bank or they are from the social media. Your account is, we are quite in danger, we are going to delete your account. They will also say, we will process your request within 24 hours. See, this is the time limit. So whenever you receive such an email having the time limit, alert yourself. You must be very alert. There are good companies, good social media account, they do not send you an email in an urgent matter, an urgent way. They will not ask you urgently to act. But this type of emails, they will ask you to act urgently within 24 hours, or they might say you within 1 hour. All features associated with our account will be lost. So they are trying to threat you also. आपको डराने की कोशिश भी करता है. You will be scared, you will be afraid, and they are saying to retain your account, kindly cancel request. So you will think, oh, I haven't sent email, but maybe I have clicked somewhere else, and this type of request of deleting my account I have sent to them, so it is better to request this cancel. You will think, they will just create suspiciousness in your mind only. आपको ही वो सोचने पर मजबूर कर देंगे कि मैंने क्या ऐसा किया है. But you will try to save yourself. Oh, I should not delete my account. So you can see over here, this email from library circulation. So it may be from anywhere, my dear friends. So they will send you one link. Okay, if you want to retain your account, if you want to save your account, then please click on this link. And this is also known as shorten link. You can see this will be a very short link. It will be there. Please, my friends, do not click on such links. Just delete this email from your email list inbox. You can see over here in the fourth part also, please do not reply to this image. Mail sent to this address cannot be answered. They will say, please don't send any type of email or a message to this email address, because no one is going to respond back. So just you have to click on this cancel request immediately, and as soon as you click, everything will be gone to your hacker or a fisher. So be alert, my dear friends. Let me show you, give you more examples, my friends, so that you are all aware of this type of happening. This is from PayPal. They will say that we have mailed you from PayPal. So first of all, go and check the email address from this email has been sent to you. This is saying PayPal at notice dash access 273.com. This is the thing where we should be alert. 273.com. This is the email address that they are using to send you the email. That is almost and quite sure it is a fake one. PayPal.com, it should be there. So you will have to check the email address from the PayPal authentic website before clicking on such a link or going through the link email from such a link. Just don't click on this type of email. They will send you. First, you must be alert, my dear friends. You must check all these things. They are saying, say again, you read over here, to help us and find out what you can do and how we can help you, log in into your account to the resolution center, and you will be directed to click on they will try to convince you to click on this login button. But be alert and smart, my dear friends. This is a online world nowadays. Don't click on such emails. If you feel that yes, your account is in danger, then please contact PayPal account through their authentic websites only. Don't click on such links. You might be receiving a lot of mails in your email. Let me show you, give more examples. You can see over here. Yeah, you might have received mails like this. Dear client, we are sorry, but this could not be sent last message. For information, please, for more information, please see this page. This page is quite dangerous. You can see that is a hyperlink. Please, please, please do not click on such type of emails. If you have any problem, if you think that your account or your something is in quite danger, then contact the authentic person. Don't click on such emails. Now let me show you. You might have received a lot of text messages also in your mobile phone or in your WhatsApp also. Many times you might have been receiving such type of you can see messages in your inbox, mobile inbox. Second driver, hiring alert for team, another way to drive for cash. Click on this. This is the shortened link. Just help yourself and do not click on this type of links, please, my friends. Let me show you a few more examples. Your account may be suspended. Now you will be very scared. Oh, my account is going to be suspended. Please follow this link to confirm details and restore. If you will click on this link, everything will be shared with them, those fishers. They try to use and send you such emails. You can say such messages also. Your account is limited. They will say, okay, your account is active, but it is limited because we have seen some unusual activity in your account. They will say like this. Here, what are they saying? Please follow the link to securely update your personal information. Means just if you will click and everything, they might give you a form to fill up and share personal information also. So please, please, please do not click on such links. Let me show you. Your Apple ID is due to expire today. If it is going to expire, you must know it well before. So do not follow such type of messages from them. Just go to the Apple website and authentic one and just follow the thing. If your account is going to expire, please do not click on this type of shorten link. These are known as shorten link. छोटा होता है बहुत सारे link ये और BIT से ज़्यादातर start होता है. It start mostly BIT. देखें BIT DO2 like this. So please do not click on such links. Let me show you for a few more examples. आपको मिलेगा ये alert, your mobile number is selected as winner of $1 lakh $1,000 or pounds on Coke promo. Go do this to claim. Enter this. Don't click on such email messages or emails, my friends. Let me show you one more thing. They will say, Oakley sunglasses last day clearance 90% off. Oakley sunglasses left. Just click on this link, and if you will click, your account will be, your personal details will be shared with them. So just save yourself by not clicking on such type of email messages or messages in your WhatsApp or mobile inbox also. Many times you might be receiving in your mobile inbox that Jio is giving 4G data for the 1 whole year free. Please click on this link to claim. Please do not click. Please do not click. Save yourself. Be clever and smart. No one is going to give you a single penny without any benefit. So don't click on such emails or such messages. Many times you might be receiving from different website also. Oh, your scholarship has been finalized, your sanction. Please fill up this form to claim your scholarship also. Please save yourself, my friends. Please save yourself. Do not click on such links. Do not click on such emails. Save yourselves. So let me tell you what is phishing. The things that I have shown you, that is the examples or the things which are used in phishing. They used to try to take your bank account numbers, credit card information, social security number, login ID, password, username. They will try to send you all this email, unwanted messages, and they will take it out. So phishing is when someone tries to get access to your WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter account. What they will say, what they will do, they will take your all contacts. They will take your all important messages from you by sending you suspicious message or link that asks for your personal information that I showed you already, my dear students, my dear friends. So beware of all these things, avoid all these things, and save yourselves. Let me show you a few more things. What does a phishing attack look like? Phishing attack कैसे दिखता है ना? It will say in your email that your Amazon order confirmation. It will say like this, your Amazon order confirmation. It will say like this. This is just to disguise you, to trick you, my dear friends. They will say, they will send you that you haven't, suppose you haven't ordered anything in Amazon, through Amazon, but still even that, after that also you will receive such email, your order confirmation. Again you will think, oh, I haven't ordered such anything from Amazon, but still I am receiving an email from them. Let us click inside and let us click on the link. What are they saying? I might get something free of cost. You will think like this, that I will get something free of cost. Let me tell you, my friend, even a mosquito does not bite at free of cost. They still take your blood. That's why they are biting you. So no one is going to give you anything at free of cost. Amazon or not open either. Please do not open such an email. Inside the message, they will try to encourage you to follow a link and title your account. And they will send you one link and they will encourage you. Click on this link and you will get the reward. Please save yourself. Do not send such emails and do not click on such emails. Just open your Amazon account and you can check it out. Phishers could also pose a bank or another financial institution. They will try to say, oh, I am from the bank and I am calling you for this one, and your KYC is pending and this and that. They will try to say you, and they will try and encourage you to give all the information. In this case, an employee or employee of a particular organization can fall for a scam, and they can send money or information directly to the phishers. Please save yourselves, my dear friends. Please save yourselves. Famous phishing attacks. Let me tell you that 120,000 employees of over 100 companies in United States, they got such email and they just shared all the company credential, username and password because of those phishing attacks in 2017. Within 3-month period in early 2017, business in Qatar, that's famous country, received tens of thousands of phishing attacks in 2017. And the attacks compromise data as well as secure information at these companies. Means those tens of thousands of phishing attacks captured a lot of and got a lot of data and information from those companies. In February 2017, Chipotle, a US restaurant, they received such an email, infected email to a Chipotle staff. And the cyber criminals, they hack all the POS system. POS, you might have seen that one, that whenever you are going for the shopping or in the mall, they used to give you a machine to swipe the credit card or the debit card to detect the payment, to get the payment. So what the hackers have done, by sending one email to the staff of that restaurant, they hacked. They asked the staff to click on that link, and by following that link that the staff has clicked, they have hacked the POS system. Means whenever the customer is going there and swiping the card, every information of the credit card or the debit card, all the information were going to the phishers, to the attackers, to the hackers. So it was not one of the mistake done by the customers, but they have paid the price because of the staff of that particular restaurant also. So be safe and try to save yourself. And whenever such a person is going asking you to swipe your card, take that particular POS machine and go thoroughly it, check whether it is safe or not, and then swipe the card from your own self. Enter the pin by hiding your fingers, by hiding your palm, and by hiding your hands from your other hand. Don't let them see the pin also, and don't let them swipe the card also. In May 2017, phishing attack targeted Google Doc users. Those who are using Google Doc, they have targeted those person. They send one email asking them to edit the documents on Google Docs, and whoever has clicked the link gave the hackers access to their Gmail account. That is quite sensitive, my dear friends. You should not give any access to your Gmail account. Protect yourself. Have many securities, 2-layer, 3-layer securities on your email. That is quite dangerous if you will give access to your email account. Types of phishing and spear phishing also. That is one of the spear phishing, that you will receive email from the contractor or the supplier from your company, and they will try to say that I am from your company and I am the contractor, and please share a company email details and email employees details, credentials. So please do not click on such. You might receive an email from CEO by the name of your CEO, the chief executive officer of a company, and they will say, okay, please pay this amount and on behalf of the company. This is also a type of fraud that is going on. Social media phishing. You might receive scams or use Facebook, they use Twitter or other media platforms also. I will give you some examples and how they are using Facebook or Twitter also to scam you, to take your details also. They will say, okay, please click on this link and you will get an offer, promise, they will promise reward, they will promise gift card. So please save yourself, my dear friends. Please save yourselves. Don't let them others to cheat you. Mobile bank phishing, mobile phone. I let you see many of the messages that you might receive in your mobile phone also, which will say that please click on the link and follow such and such. You can see, my friends, that your alertness can only save you. If you're alert, then no one is going to harm you. Let me show you one example, my dear friend, that many of us are using the social media, Facebook, Instagram, many things we are using. You can see, can you see anything difference in this particular site? Facebook is there, and Dicto site is just, you can see over here. But you can see over here the spelling of the Facebook, facebook.com, B-triple-O is there. So what I'm asking you, my friend, alertness. Check out the spelling of the URL also. You might receive like this also, facebook.com, that spelling you can see, Facebook, BOOK.com. So please look into the URL also to save yourself from phishing attacks. They will prepare to copy website such as Facebook, Instagram, even WhatsApp web also. They can produce, but you will have to check. You will have to be sure that it is whether it is the authentic website or something else, because when you will click on such a certain link or email clicks, you will be directed such a website where it will be shown that you are working and you are just going to enter your email ID and password or login username and password in the Facebook account. But what you are going to do, you are just giving those fishers your login details. You can see over here the URL. Please check it out. Here, how can we save ourselves from phishing? Here are the 9 points that I'm going to share with you to save yourself from phishing. Number one of the most effective measure is education that I am giving you right now. Educate yourself, learn all this, go through the videos again and again, go through my video again and again, and share it with your friends also whom you love and trust. So education is the most essential key which can save yourself from phishing or any online attacks. Do not reply to or open any attachment or click on any link from unknown sources. If you do not know about that particular person who is sending you the email, just delete it. just remove that email. Don't click any of the attachment or the link. They might send you different type of attachment also. You will think, oh, what is the email does not contain any link, so I'm not doing anything harmful. So the email is containing attachment, and it might show you that it is a photograph or image, but that will not be, my friends. Do not click on those attachment also. Be sensible when it comes to a phishing attack. Be sensible and smart while browsing online and check your emails. And I said that if you are just clicking on the, many time of you used to search that if you are going to open ICICIbank.com or website, an online banking site, what you used to do, just click on the Google and you used to search an ICICI Bank logging page. Don't do that. Try to remember the URL of the important websites where you enter your details. Don't search the link from the Google. It might contain some harmful attacks also, some harmful website which will lead you, that I just previously showed in my previous slide, that it might contain different type of spelling. They will just change one letter in the URL, one letter they will change, and you might be under attack. So another fourth point is what? Watch out for the shortened links. The link which is very short, don't click on that until and unless you are sure that it is quite safe. Suppose your teacher is sending you for filling up the Google form, for replying to some email, some questions, then you can, because you know your teacher. Then if your teacher is sending you, then it is okay. So that is why I'm saying you that if you are sure that it is safe, then you can click. Does that email look suspicious? If it looks suspicious and harmful, then go through the email again and again. Try to find it out whether it is quite sure to click on the links or the email. If it is not, then please delete. Be wary of threats and urgent deadline. Many of email you will receive that it is the deadline tomorrow at 24 hours, at 2 hours, within 2 hours you will have to take action. Don't just react. Just contact the authentic person. Browse securely with the HTTPS. Yes, please, my dear friends, look at the URL such as I'm showing you over. You can see S is written HTTPS. S stands for over here security, secured. So please check it out whether particular website is secured or not. You will find this letter S with the URL, and also look for the lock icon. एक ताला नजर आएगा. You will find a lock icon also in the URL. If both the things are available, then that particular website is quite secure, my dear. And you can enter your credit card details or anything else, but make it sure that it contains S as well as lock icon also. Next is point number 8. Do not enter your personal information in pop-up screen. Many of the pop-up screen comes out when you used to browse, when you used to browse, when you used to do something. So many of the pop-up screen comes out, and it will ask you to fill this and click on that and this and that. Please ignore those. Install a phishing filter. That is most important, my dear students, my dear friends. Install a phishing filter on your email application. Means if you are receiving email after email from some phishers, which contain emails, then just apply a filter in your email, which will reduce the number of phishing attempts. But it will not finish, or it will not help you out to get rid of the phishing, but it will help you. This phishing filter will help you to reduce the phishing attempts. And if you don't know how to apply this phishing filter, you might find a lot of videos in YouTube channel also how to apply phishing filter on your email application. And if you still can't find it, then please comment on the channel, on the video, and I will make a video of how to apply phishing filter on your email application also. That is all in this tutorial, my dear friends, which can help you to identify phishing emails as well as phishing messages in your mobile. And I let you see many of the images and examples also, and I have done a lot of on my part to protect you, as you are all my friends, and I want to be a part of the society. I am also the part of the society, and I do also want to do something good for my society. So that is all in my part. Please share the video, and please press the like button if you really like the button. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends also. In this time, please stay at home and be safe. And That's all. Follow the next tutorial, which is also very important regarding this particular series. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye, my dear friends.